Hi, this is Vicki with Big Mama's Garden, and today we're going to harvest some carrots. Look at these beautiful carrots here. These carrot leaves are bushing out here so big. It's time to harvest them. And today I'm going to use my bag here that I got from Seven Wars Farm to harvest them in. This is a nice bag too. Thanks, Wayne, from Seven Wars Farm. Now let's harvest some carrots. Oh, look at that one. Oh, that's a nice, ooh, and it smells good too. Get all the little hairs off of it. The carrot has a lot of little hairs on it. That means it's time to really have harvested them long ago. They shouldn't have a lot of the hairs all on them. So it's time for me to harvest these carrots. Let's see. What else we have here? Oh, that's a nice one. It's not real long, but they thick. If I can reach them better. Look at here. Got a handful at one time. Oh, that one don't look too good. Yes. Look at this. More carrots. A lot of small ones. They still gonna be good to eat. My new bag really came in handy to carry today's harvest of fresh homegrown carrots. Thanks for stopping by Big Mama's Garden.